Hi folks, thought I'd start with a metaphorical blank page here. Courtesy of the SQA, I have made myself my own channel on YouTube, and from now on I'm going to be putting all my videos onto this new channel. It's a little reincarnation of my older videos, some of which are truly terrible, because I started all this during COVID, of course, and I had no idea how to make these sort of vaguely educational videos. So I need to redo some of the old ones because they are atrocious. I am hoping to be able to do some new things with the channel that I can't currently do with my educational one, and expand it into a variety of new avenues. So what I'll do is I'll put the link in the description below, and I feel like a terrible corporate sellout for asking this, but if it would be possible, if you could pop over there and maybe subscribe, what does a YouTuber say? Like and share. I don't even know what that means, but if you can do it, do it. If you don't want to do it, of course, don't bother. It's all good. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.